What's up, YouTube? Long time no see. I know I've been on a little hiatus, but I am back today with another video. Today I'm going to be working on something on my car. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys in a second, but I just want to say that I have more videos planned for 2021. I hope you guys are excited as I am, but that's not in today's video. We'll talk about that in another video. But today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to be working on in my car. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a couple seconds to guess what it is that I'm going to be working on. Couple seconds. All right. You see that little thing in the middle right here? I'm going to go ahead and remove that today. So to remove that, I obviously have to take off the bumper. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now and check in with you guys when I remove the bumper. All right, y'all, so I removed the bumper and here's that piece that I was talking about. So basically my plan of action here is just to go ahead and cut straight through here up here, and same thing down here, kind of following this line and that line. And my weapon of choice for today is gonna be this Dremel. I don't have anything else, but I'm pretty sure this will work. It shouldn't seem like, there doesn't seem to be a reason why it shouldn't. I'm just gonna go ahead and see what happens. So let's go ahead and get to cutting. Houston, we broke through. Now I gotta do the same on the bottom. Alright, y'all, so I just finished up. As you can see, it's not the cleanest, but nobody's even gonna see that or notice that, so it doesn't really matter. Chewed up plastic, it's all good though. Nobody's really gonna see that, so it doesn't really matter. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put the bumper back on and then show you guys what it looks like with it on the car. Alright, I put the bumper back on. I didn't really show you guys that because if you guys have dealt with this bumper, you would realize that it's honestly pretty annoying, so I just wanted to get it over with. But I am going to back up the car a little bit and show you guys what it looks like. Yep, that's the finishing product. It looks 10 times better than what it did before, trust me, because you could really notice that middle part. But now that you can't, it looks 20 times better. All right, y'all, so that's basically gonna be it for this little fix up. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe so you can follow the build. Now until next time, see y'all then. All right, now before I leave for real, I want to show you guys the sick Christmas gifts one of my homies gave me. Pretty freaking sick. Anyways, that's it for real.